The PetKit Purex self-cleaning litter box revolutionizes the way you manage your cat's waste with its innovative features. This automatic and self-cleaning litter box offers convenience, efficiency, and advanced technology to keep your home fresh and your cats happy. Let's delve into the features and benefits of the PetKit Purex self-cleaning litter box. Design and construction. The PetKit Purex self-cleaning litter box is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. It features a sleek and modern design that seamlessly blends with your home decor. The litter box is constructed using durable and high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance. Its spacious interior provides ample room for multiple cats to comfortably use the box. Scooping-free and automatic cleaning. One of the standout features of the PetKit Purex is its ability to self-clean. The litter box is equipped with a built-in sensor that detects when your cat is finished using the box. After a brief delay, the automatic cleaning cycle begins, ensuring that your cat's waste is promptly removed. This hands-free operation eliminates the need for manual scooping and saves you valuable time and effort. Secure technology. PetKit integrates secure technology into the Purex self-cleaning litter box to enhance your cat's safety and comfort. This technology detects when your cat re-enters the box during the cleaning cycle and temporarily pauses the cleaning process, preventing any accidental contact with the cleaning mechanism. The safety of your feline friend is a top priority, and the secure technology provides peace of mind. Odor removal system. The PetKit Purex features an advanced odor removal system to keep your home smelling fresh. The box is equipped with an activated carbon filter that effectively captures and neutralizes odors. This ensures that unpleasant smells are contained within the litter box, creating a more pleasant environment for both you and your cats. App control and monitoring. Adding a touch of convenience and connectivity, the PetKit Purex can be controlled and monitored through a dedicated mobile app. With the app, you can easily customize the cleaning schedule, check the litter box's status, and receive notifications when it's time to replace the waste bag or clean the litter box. This level of control and monitoring allows you to manage your cat's waste management system effortlessly. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.